I will inform them.
I am going to join.
Yeah, yeah. ये मैंने फिर पढ़ेगा पढ़ा सब कुछ कोई भी नहीं डायरेक्ट स्टार्ट
ऑफिस को दे दीजिए
We are in a meeting, ma'am. Yes.
और देखिए रेस्टोरेंट हम पढ़े सब ये बोले तो सब ऐसा पढ़े नहीं आपको हम करो ना निर्माण को करा
मेरे पढ़े दिले सर रजिस्ट्रेशन ना दी फिर ना ये आसन एप्ला आसन पढ़
हम जान करो हां
So, parent was.
काले को तो ये का सारो यो ऐसा का सब
हां सर प्लीज जॉइन सर मते कॉस्ट लगे चारटा होल तो ये हां जॉइन कर बता थैंक यू Yes, I have my phone online, so the best walking sequence start.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, am I audible to you?
Another Chandra Bahini Pati is talking more.
आसिल मैडम आसिल
Sir, good afternoon. Am I audible to you, sir?
यस राजपति आसिल
You will deliver to note, then you will.
लॉन्ग एक्शन दो बस बाहर
Sir, am I audible? We are not getting it. Sir, we are audible to you?
Oh yeah. Kavita madam.
Honorable previous warning, sir. Am I audible to you, sir? Thank you.
And Kavita madam, please join. Kavita Sahu.
Didn't next day, I think.
No, she is the chair of the system. Please join.
No, Shankar Beda, sir. Chandra. Who are
You can start, no? You can start.
आसिल ये मैडम आसिल
Good afternoon, sir. Am I audible to you? Thank you.
वो से पक्के पहले सुनो.
He will give the introduction everything. If possible, no? Is it audible to them?
Yes.
Yes, we start.
आसिल जाएगा
Hello. Am I audible to everybody?
Yes,
Am I audible, sir, madam? Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to our second session, which is going to be online session. At the very outset, I am extremely sorry for the late. Uh, Today's in this technical session, the chair will be organized a session by Professor Kavita Kumari Sahu, madam. She is professor, associate professor of Baripada University. Professor of Baripada University. She will be going to organize the chair of the session. And there are two keynotes speakers for this online session. One is Professor Chandrasekhar Bahinpati sir from IIT Tirupati. Welcomes to our online session. Second keynote speaker is Professor Deves Bhumik sir, Lincoln University, Malaysia. I cordially invite and welcome both of them. Please let us start our session right now. Thank you. Thank you for your cooperation. I wish everybody will smoothly participate in this online session. Let us start now. Yes, sorry. Another one is co-chair is Professor Gyanaranjan Mahanti sir. He is present in offline. And another one rapporteur is S. Ruparani. She will be also presenting in offline. She is right now in our offline session. Thank you. Have a pleasant day.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Maybe.
Yes.
And
Address book is like your
Okay, sir, you are audible, sir, please. Yes, sir, it's visible.
Madam, 15 minutes. 15 minutes.
15 minutes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
आपण या नजर पर এখন সেট সেট পিএস করছে লিখুন নন হাই এখন কি হচ্ছে আকার দিচ্ছে साउंड बड़ी हो गला एयरपोर्ट पछाड़ छोड़
Many institutions they don't have a staff and they don't have enough manpower, okay, to meet the demand of agriculture. Okay, although we have agriculture extension departments, hardly any farmers have access to it. Okay, so we need to bridge the gap between these institutions and farmers so that the information should be disseminated to the farmers. Otherwise, there is inequity access to the information. The guy who has access to the information will take it, others will not take it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for a nice presentation, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
If anyone, if you have any queries, my dear delegates, any queries, you can ask our Dr. Vainpati, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Vainpati, for your nice presentation. And I have one query. You have mentioned the climate smart agriculture in the context of Odisha.
मैडम हम पर माइक टा ऑन करंतु स्क्रीन माइक ऑन करो सेडा नहीं मैडम तो देखो तो स्क्रीन हां सेडा हां अब कौन चालू अब कौन सर
Okay, yeah. Can you hear my voice? Vainpati sir. Okay. Then my question is to Vainpati, so there is no need to ask. Can Madam can answer the question? As the government of Odisha in India is trying to double the income of the farmers, but they have given more priority for the use of chemical fertilizer for augmenting the production of the farmers. So in that context, how can we get basically the zero emission or carbon emission to be reduced to achieve the Viksit Bharat goal? This is my question for Madam.
Actually, sir, we have to strengthen our agricultural extension services so that our poor farmers they can able to know what are the policies, what are the incentives provided by the government of India and also government of Odisha. Then only our agricultural farmers, poor farmers, they can able to know. Actually, there are so many policies, there are so many measures are undertaken by the government of India and also government of Odisha, but our poor farmers they do not able to know. So we have to first create awareness, and that type of job that can be provided by the agricultural extension services. Then only they can able to know the what are the initiatives and what are the facilities which are provided by the government of India. Now I request our Bhomik sir, so please share your talk.
Please allow for sharing.
Please.
It is visible.
Yeah, no, sorry, your PPT is not visible.
Allow for
Now visible.
Sir, your screen is visible,
Mhm.
but PPT is not.
Visible.
No, sir. No, sir.
Ma'am, you might in the sir, so PPT is visible, sir. Ma'am, you unpin the morning, sir, so you get it.
you say again. For comment.
Sir, please share your screen.
Down of the committee got very help. Sharing form অসুবিধা হচ্ছে জানি পাবো
Shared in the same way, largely in the
তো যেন থেকে করছিল সেটা দেখছিল দেবেশ গভর্নমেন্ট তারপরে কম
morning, sir, the share your screen, largely you have done like that only. Just now it's presentation.
and coordinate. You ask them to coordinate.
It is visible.
Yes,
Sir, your PPT is visible.
you ask him to coordinate. Devesh sir has been muted. Then how কি হচ্ছে how কি প্রেজেন্টেশন হচ্ছে তাকে দিয়ে দিন সম্পর্ক দিয়ে
अनपॉटर माइक टा बंद कर हेडी अनपॉटर माइक टा बंद कर ऑफ करो
Sir, you unmute yourself, sir. You need that to unmute.
Sir, please unmute yourselves.
Unmute, sir. No, unmute.
Mute.
Yes, yes, right.
Share.
Right.
Okay. And then full screen. So then see a pin point is there.
Share.
Yes.
PPT. Then open your PPT. Sir, it's coming. So then click on PPT.
Visible? No.
No. আমি সেন্ড করে দিন আগে ମୋ ପାଖକୁ ଯଦି ସେଣ୍ଡ କରିଦେଲେ ହେବ କେତେ ପଠେଇଦେବେ
Sir, first open your PPT. Keep your PPT on your desktop, then open your PPT.
This, I have opened it. Then,
No, sir. Sir, first keep your PPT on your desktop,
sir
on your screen.
you can send
Then you open.
on WhatsApp. You can send it to me on WhatsApp, sir.
Sir, otherwise you can send your PPT to the organizers, they can share.
just a minute, just a minute.
Sir, right click on the PPT, it will show open options. So share your screen. Share your screen, sir, again. Yes. Yes, sir, it's correct.
Stop, ignore. It is visible, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And also audible.
Yes, sir. Audible.
Yes, sir.
Session Chairman, Professor Shaku, and also thank to Sundar ma'am, and also thank to Principal of the Community College for inviting me to present a paper. And the name of the paper is Nexus between Infrastructure, Capital Formation, and Net State Domestic Product per capita in Odisha. Okay. What?
Yeah, next you click there in
Second
the,
slide.
you click on the next slide,
Sir,
sir.
press F5, sir, it will be done.
Yes.
F5. In your function key, F1, F2, F3, F5. sir.
Fine.
God, आशीर्वाद लगाए। हो, कोणती तरी भाऊ काढलेला, तिथे काय मला वाटते ते वेगळे
Slide the second slide click करतो ऑटोमेटिक असतं सेटा से भला होते क्लिक करे पड़े
एक्चुअली कोई ज्यादा भलो सेंस माने
सेटा जो पूरी कौन सेटा अनम्यूट करे से लाइक कर दो
मैडम आपको कॉल
Unmute your mic, sir.
Yes, it's
Your presentation is visible, sir.
से अनम्यूट करे ऐसे मैं क्या अनम्यूट कर दो
unmute yourself. Tell me.
हां अनम्यूट
It is running?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, actually the paper tries to find out the nexus between the per capita availability of electricity, gross capital formation and net state domestic product per capita in Odisha during 2005 to 2023-24 through ARDL method using RBI data. Are you audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First of all, I have done the growth rate of the three variables, namely net state domestic product per capita, which grew at the rate of 11.51% per year, and next gross capital formation, which grew at the rate of 8.70% per year, and third growth rate of per capita electricity, which is 4.16% per year. Next, for ARDL process, I have tried to test the augmented Dickey-Fuller statistics for stationarity or non-stationarity. Here, we saw that net state domestic product per capita is non-stationary because ADF is less than its tabulated value. The gross capital formation is stationary because ADF greater than tabulated value. Similarly, the per capita electricity availability, which is non-stationary, since ADF less than tabulated value. Now, we have estimated the ARDL model 133, which is 133 because the model automatically allows lag 1 for the dependent variable and lag 3 for two independent variables. That is one, that is capital formation, gross capital formation, and another is net availability of electricity. So the estimation is the net availability, electricity availability per capita positively affect the net state domestic product per capita in the level series, and in the first difference series and second difference series, it is negative and then positive, but both are insignificant. Similarly, in case of gross capital formation, the effect is negative, as well as all the cases are negative, and one is significant, this one. So we can, in a nutshell, we can say that the model states that 1% increase in per capita electricity per year lead to 0.706% increase in per capita per year level, while it increases 0.170% decrease in previous year and 0.364% and 0.571% increase in previous second and third year, which are insignificant. Again, 1% increase in gross capital formation per year lead to 0.115% decrease in per capita net state domestic product, which is significant at 10% level, while in previous years the rates were very negligible, and next 2 years these are negative also, which are insignificant. Thus, in this model, the AC is minimum. The chosen model, AC is minimum, which is seen in the diagram as this model, ARDL model 133, whose value is least than the other model, which is already chosen by the diffuse software. So we can say that this model allows us to test the error correction model, that is, which is called bound test, in which we find that F value greater than the tabulated value at I of 0 and I of 1, means integrated in order of 0 and integrated in order of 1 at 5%, 1% and 10% level respectively, where AIC is minimum, that is minus 3.11, as I previously showed. This one. So the error correction model, it is estimated like this. We state that the gross capital formation X1 at the level series. Hello. No. And the other 2 years negative values. So in the 2 years, and for gross capital formation, the relation is next. The relation is negative, then it is positive. So distributed. So the relation distributed in different for different effects. And lastly, its error correction term, which is minus 0.4129, which means that this error correction model is approaching towards equilibrium at the rate of 41.29% per year. This estimation suggests that there is a both long-term and short-term relationship of gross capital formation and net availability of electricity with the net state domestic product per capita. Thus, we can estimate the co-integrating equation, which is given below as the co-integrating equation equal to minus 0.4129 log x3, that is estimate net state domestic product per capita. 9 log x1 means net availability of electricity per capita, and x2 means gross capital formation, which is negative with the net state domestic product per capita, and also the net availability of electricity per capita is negative with the net state domestic product per capita, and also this is significant. All the coefficients are significant, so that this model approach towards equilibrium. That is, the co-integrating equation after volatility, it approaches towards equilibrium. This is the point of equilibrium up at this level. This is 0, 0. This is approaching. Next, we can say that this model, this ARDL 133 model, is stable because the cumulative sum of square line. This is the cumulative sum of square line. This cumulative sum of square line passes through plus minus 5% significant, which means the model is stable. Next, we can also see that the residue of the ARDL model do not follow the normal distribution because quantile plot. This is the quantile plot of this model, which do not merge in this distribution line. So we can say that the residual does not follow the normal distribution. Next, the RDL 133 model has no heterogeneity problem. Because the groups hello.
Yes, sir, you
Hello?
are, yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Where n r square, that is observed r square equal to 11.029, whose probability of chi-square equal to 0.2737, which is significant, or accepted at H naught, where no heteroscedasticity problem occurs. And secondly, it has no serial correlation because the Brooks-Gottfried serial correlation LM test show that its chi-square value 0.7326 and nr square is equal to 0.116 and its F value is 0.04175, whose probability is 0.173, which is accepted at no heteroscedasticity problem. Sorry, which is accepted at no serial correlation problem. And lastly, we can say that this model can be allowed for policy implication too. Thank you. Basically, ARDL model is applied for testing autoregressive and also distributed lag, both in the short run and in the long run. And when any variable can be stationary or non-stationary, it can be either integrated in order of 0 or integrated in order of 1. So this is the facilities to apply the ARDL model, because the effect is distributed among all the lags. Say X1, this is the net availability of electricity, which we have assumed the infrastructure. This infrastructure is distributed both positively in first period and third period, and negatively in second period. Whereas the gross capital formation affected negatively in 3 periods, and all the 4 periods. So this is the advantage which the lag distributed among all the periods. Naturally, we can say in Odisha, the gross capital formation does not affect equally in all the years, whereas net availability of per capita electricity affect positively on the per capita net state domestic product. This is the conclusion actually.
Thank you, sir, for a nice presentation with this talk. And you have explained very clearly about the relationship among per capita availability of the electricity, gross capital formation, net state domestic product per capita in Odisha from 2004-5 to 23-24. Okay, sir, you have used also so many econometrics models by using the e-views.
Yes.
Actually, sir, you told that the electricity, the availability of the electricity has positive impact upon the net state domestic product.
Yes, per capita net state domestic product. Yes, okay. It is positive.
In our state, the availability of the electricity, I think it is very scarce in our state.
Yes.
But how it has direct impact positive on the
it is less than 1%. 0.706% increase only.
Okay, only. Okay. Then sir, what we have to do? What the policymakers they have to do?
Policymakers should increase the infrastructure like electricity, roads, railway, etc. rapidly so that net state domestic product per capita may increase.
Sir, what are your suggestions?
Suggestions means to hike the expenditure of infrastructure. Roads, electricity, railways, etc.
And more budget provisions should be required.
Yes, yes. As well as for capital formation, as well as in fixed capital, also variable capital.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for this presentation. I invite any questions or any queries from the delegates or from the organizers to Bhowmik, sir. If you have any doubt, then you can ask to Bhowmik, sir. Any queries? Sir, I think you explained very clearly, sir. No queries, no doubts, perhaps of our delegates. So thank you, sir. Once again, sir, thank you. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you.
Namaste, sir.
Thank you, sir.
ଶଙ୍କର ସାର୍ ଖାଲି କରିବାକୁ ମୋ ନମ୍ବର ମୋବାଇଲ ସେଟା କାମ ଦବ।
On behalf of Kempu Requests, I extend my heartfelt thanks to Bhowmik sir and Kavita madam, Bainipati sir, and other participants in online mode. Thank you very much for your participation. Thank you.
ଶଙ୍କର ସାର୍ କହିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କାଲି କରିବେ।
Sir, thank you so much. Today's session is closed due to some technical issue. We would like to continue the session for the next day, sir. Tomorrow, sir.
10 PM. Shankar sir.
Shankar sir, your session will be on 10 to 12, sir. Tomorrow. Kavita ma'am, thank you so much. Yes, ma'am, the session will be. Today's session is over, ma'am.
Thank you, okay, madam. Thank you so much, Kavita madam. On behalf of Community College Organized Committee, thank you to Kavita madam for nicely chair organize the chair. Okay, madam. Point of the super like this.